welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today we are going to be in the kitchen, not decorating but cooking. So I would like to thank today's video sponsor, FEEKAA, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this fabulous toaster air fry oven for us to try out. So let me show you what they sent. And guys, when I say this is a kitchen accessory that you need in your home, this is a kitchen accessory that you need in your home, and you'll thank me for showing it to you, and you'll want to say, why didn't I get this sooner? So let's take a look. All right, today's video is in collaboration with FEEKAA, and inside this box is something I think we're really going to enjoy, especially for the upcoming holidays. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, so what we have here is the FEEKAA air fryer oven. It looks kind of big. Hopefully it's not too big to sit on my countertop. But it is looking quite large. So let me take it out of the box and then we'll come back. All right, so here's our little oven, and it is quite larger than I expected it to be. So now I need to figure out where I'm gonna sit this little baby. But look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love the brassy colored or the gold tone knobs. And this is how it looks inside. You can see there is a lot of space in here. And when FEEKAA reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review their product, you know, Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and you can never have, or if you're like me, you never have enough space in your oven for everything that you want to cook. So I thought this little air fryer would be the perfect solution for that. The interior is quite spacious. I mean, it's not real big, but you could put like a casserole dish in here, or you can warm up something. Let's say you got your turkey's all done. You can slice it up, set it on a platter, and set it in here to keep it warm until you're ready to serve. So let's see what else it came with. Okay, so the air fryer comes with all of these accoutrements, and let's take them all out and see what we have going on here. Looks like quite a bit of stuff. I think these would be used for a rotisserie, maybe some sort. All right, let's get out our, oh, it even comes with a little cookbook. Look at that. So here is our user manual. So let's take a look. I must say, this is really thick paper. Usually when you get a use and care manual, it's just really just thin paper, but this is really nice and thick. So I'm impressed with the instructions. It has many different functions. So as you can see, it has an air fry function, broil, warm, bake, rotisserie, and that's what these are. I knew that was. Bake and toast. Oh my gosh, it will do so much for you. It has a cooking guide here for you. It tells you everything, what temperature you should cook things at, which I think is great. And it gives our product number. Okay, here is our parts. So we've got our oven, then we have our air fryer basket, which is this. Very, very nice. And we have a grill rack which is this. Very nice. And then we have our baking tray, which is this one. And our rotisserie skewer and fork, which is these 2 pieces or 3 pieces. I guess it goes in like this. So unscrew it so it has room to turn. And then our safety handle, which is this. And then we have, this is our rotisserie tool. So I need to figure out how to use that. You know, it would be great to do like a little chicken in here, like a, what do they call those? Cornish hens? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try one of those. But let's go ahead and put this together. I'm gonna clean it really nice, really well. You know, as it comes from the factory, it has dust and dirt on it that you don't want in your food. So we're gonna get a good wipe now. It's got a little white light in there. Guys, this is just like a regular little oven. Let me undo this. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And so it's plugged in. And let's go ahead, wipe down our tray. We're going to put our tray in here. And our rack. So nice. This, I think, is like a basket. Let's see. This is, yeah, just an air basket. Oh, it looks like you could use this to take out your tray if it were too hot, and you lift it out like this. How cool is that? I like that. So you don't burn your hands. Looks like you can do fries, a Christmas chicken, see? Roasted ribs, salmon, pizza, French toast, banana bread. It's got little recipes that it comes with. Oh my gosh. So nice. And look at this chicken. Oh, doesn't that look awesome? I love that. And then you can do ribs in here. Ooh, look at the salmon. Oh my gosh. I think that's what I'm gonna cook first. Salmon. Look how good that looks. And I just so happen to have salmon, and my favorite food is bourbon glazed salmon. Who knew, right? You see all the bourbon on my bar cart? Yeah, bourbon glazed salmon is one of my favorite dinners. There's your pizza, French toast, brownies. What else do we have? Banana bread. Oh my gosh, you can do so many things with this little oven. Absolutely love it. So I want to thank FEEKAA for collaborating with me on this portion of today's video. I will leave a link for their website down below, as well as to this product where you can get a discount. And guys, run and get it. This will be the perfect little item for you to use during the holidays when you need something extra to bake your Thanksgiving dinner. can use the air fryer as a toaster, and as you can see here, we are toasting up some hash browns for breakfast. So it is very versatile. You have your timer here. We have it set for 20 minutes. Our temperature we have set at 450. We might not need that long, but we're just gonna test it out. We have it set for toast, and we have it set for medium. So yeah, a great little toaster. It does make a little ticking noise, and you hear the little fan, and you see the element on. So we're gonna keep an eye on them and then come back and check them in a few minutes. As you can see, the oven is very aesthetically pleasing with the black and the brass colored hardware. The perfect kitchen accessory. And as I said, the perfect item to have for the upcoming holiday when you need an additional oven. As well as it is perfect for your everyday cooking needs. They're getting a little toastier. Almost done. I think our hash browns are almost ready. And they're done. And you hear them sizzle? Nice and toasty. We have our breakfast sausage. Now we're going to get a hot brown. And put it on our plate. I always use aluminum foil to line when I'm cooking. And look at that. A nice hearty breakfast to start your day. All right, guys, so this morning we cooked some delicious toasted hash browns, and for tonight's dinner we're going to do a little bourbon glazed salmon, and we're going to do it all in our little FEEKAA air fryer. So let's get started. All right, so first we have to get out all of our ingredients. We have our mixing bowl and our baster. We need a little soy sauce, a little minced garlic, a lemon. Of course, you can't have bourbon glazed salmon without bourbon, so we're going to use this Weller Special Reserve bourbon. It's going to give us that smoky bourbon flavor. And of course, brown sugar. And the star of the show, our salmon. So I think what I'm going to do is cut the salmon fillet in half. All right, so we're going to cut our salmon in half right down the middle. And this is salmon where we have already removed the skin. So we have that. And then we are going to take our tray, our baking tray here, and I always like to line my items with aluminum foil. It just makes it so much easier for me to clean up at the end. So I am just going to line our tray with our aluminum foil, and to make sure that our salmon does not stick, I'm going to use a little pan to spray on and give this a good coat. And I cook with my hands, guys. You guys may not like that, but it's just me, and I'm the one that's gonna be eating it, so I think it's just fine. All right, so we have our salmon fillets on the tray. Now let's go ahead and make our mixture. Now guys, I don't measure. I just eyeball everything, but if you want an authentic recipe, I will leave one right here on the side for you to go check out and to duplicate for yourself. So I'm just gonna put in about half of our brown sugar. Then we're going to put in some of our Weller, and it's like 1, 2, 3. It's like, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? 1, 2, 3. But for our salmon, okay, let's add just a little bit extra of bourbon. So there's that. Then we're gonna add in some soy sauce and just a little dab. We don't want it too salty. Then we're gonna add in some minced garlic. And I'm just gonna put about this much. And then we need to add our lemon. So we have to juice our lemon. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down the middle and just juice it. This lemon has a lot of seeds in it. And I'm going to use all the juice because I like lemon. And I'm going to scrape the seeds back out into the rind. Again, I'm sure there are better recipes out there for bourbon glazed salmon, but this is just how I fix mine. And then we're going to go in and pour in our lemon juice. Then we're going to take it and stir it all together. Oh, you know what? I also think I like to have some pepper flakes on mine. And where are you, pepper flakes? All right, we're going to add just a dash of red pepper. So I like my food a little spicy. All right, so this is our consistency. And while we do this, let's go ahead and preheat our oven. Okay, here's our oven. We are going to, let's cook at 375, and we are going to broil our salmon. And let's put it on for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it. So I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit, and then we'll put our salmon in. All right, while we're waiting for our oven to preheat, let's go ahead and baste our salmon. This smells so good. So let's give it a generous coating. And then sometimes I like to bake mine, or baste mine, again halfway through. Just coat it all over. Sides. I don't really coat the back. It's generally the front is enough. So it smells so good. It looks so good. So we're ready, I think. Let's check. Ooh, it heated up so quickly. All right, so now let's go ahead and slide our salmon. Look at that. Doesn't it look so good? Can you see that? All right, let's go ahead and stick it in. And we'll shut the oven door. And let's take a closer look. All right, guys, so our salmon fillets are in the oven. This is how they're looking. You can hear it cooking. So now we just have to wait for our tasty bourbon glazed salmon meal to be finished. All right, guys, so this is how our salmon is looking in the oven. I think it's about ready. All right, so we're gonna take out our salmon. And oh my gosh, oh, look how pretty. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn our oven off. It makes a little ding sound. So now let's go ahead and plate our salmon. And we're gonna get a really pretty plate. So we're gonna use this clear plate because it's so pretty. And can you see that? We're gonna scoop up our salmon, and it makes it so easy to pull off when we use the aluminum foil and a little bit of olive oil, or what is this, cooking spray. Now I like to eat my salmon with garlic mashed potatoes, and that's what this is. A little bit of garlic mashed potatoes. And then I think we need a little pat of butter. Our butter, I like to use salted butter. So we'll put a dollop on our mashed potatoes. Maybe a little bit on our salmon. All right, guys, so here is how our food has turned out. And oh my gosh, it looks so good. It's so succulent. Let's see how it tastes. All right, guys, so our food turned out perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm gonna mix up our mashed potatoes. Our salmon. Let's try it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys. I wish you could taste this. This is so good. You really need this FEEKAA air fryer. Oh my gosh, the food is so tasty. So I would like to thank FEEKAA for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link for their website down below, as well as a discount code so you can go get your own luscious, aesthetically pleasing FEEKAA air fryer. So again, I will leave a link for their website down below, as well as a discount code. Run and get it and make yourself this delicious, yummy dish. And I hope to see you in the next Yes, I'm a member of the Clean Plate Club. It was so good.